What's going on, guys? Not the real Will Smith, and I got something special planned for you guys today. Hey guys, so I'm opening up my YouTube account on my phone. This is about 3 weeks ago, but as you can see, I follow a few big car YouTubers like the life of Jeremy Barrett. But if you pay close attention to the top right, you can see some more YouTubers I'm subscribed to. Oh, shout out to Harmony Daily. Y'all go follow her as well. So I'm continuing through my subscribers to a longtime friend. Is Joey here again. She does wig tutorials, makeup tutorials, hair conditioning and stuff. Keep scrolling down so you guys can see her videos. She's very consistent on putting content out to her subscribers. So as you can see, this is her actual YouTube page. At the time she had 3,124 subs, but currently she's at 3,238. Here's some more of her videos. She has a lot of inspiration from famous actresses such as Vivica Fox. And here's some other stuff as well to give you guys an idea on her dedication to her channel. And even if you guys aren't into this type of content, tell your girl, your wife, your friend, bisexual associate, it doesn't matter. So I'm about to click on one of her videos, and if you would like to see some more of her content, her YouTube is in the description below.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Zoe here again, and as you guys can see, I have my little guest. She's not gonna be here for the whole video. She's just here because she is a little cranky. For Easter, I want to wear my hair curly, so I know that day 2 hair is like the best. It acts as a mask. You're putting it on dry hair. You're not really putting it on wet hair. So it's just a mask to kind of detoxify your pores and stuff. Black-owned businesses, Latino-owned businesses,
Yeah, so I apologize that all the video wasn't shown, but as you can see enough just to get the gist. I'm jumping through her videos here again, but go ahead and subscribe to her channel. I appreciate all the help that she's given me in creating my own channel.
Yeah, every day that's you and me, all day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now I'm just too on, maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on, cause I'm out here with my...
So when this video began, I told you guys I had something good for you, but then I had a bunch of tasks to do that same day. Also, I was looking for reputable shops to put my banner on, and I was going to record them, but the prices were egregious. I sucked it up, and 2 days later I did it myself with some pointers from a friend. I wasn't able to record, but I did, however, take pics of the whole process. So as I mentioned earlier, I did the banner myself, but I needed some soap, a cheap spray bottle, got mine from Walmart. Any tape is fine. I just used some duct tape out my closet, and then a window tint squeegee from any auto parts store. Most important thing is a microfiber cloth to prevent the squeegee from scratching your brand new banner. Oh yeah, and the most important thing is rubbing alcohol. This provides a very clean surface, and also rubbing alcohol dries fairly quickly. So as you can see, I taped my banner on with the tape just to see where I wanted to place it. Don't worry, the sticker to the right was taken off after the banner was installed. Then I sprayed the banner with soap and water, and then I used the squeegee and cloth to press it on smooth. I was rushing, so I wound up putting the YouTube logo on wrong, but I was quickly able to flip it because of the soapy water. Soapy water doesn't dry as fast, and then you're able to make adjustments. So as you can see just a little bit, this is the final product, and I know that it's pink, but I ran out of red, so that's how it's gonna be. The technique in pulling the film off the banner is to pull down and not out. This will prevent things from ripping. So I use the same technique with the words of spraying, lying flat, squeegeeing cloth, and peeling down, slow and controlled. This is the final product. This is about 25 to 30 minutes of work. The hardest part was the underscore because it wasn't really in line with the other words, and I had to make sure the spacing was absolutely correct.